they're oval on the inside. John V goes to the lead with Scarsdale on the outside. Broadcaster B third, Golden Full of fourth, with Shirley's Bow and trailing the field Momentum. Around the turn and down the backstretch, John V has the lead by 2 lengths. Scarsdale is second. On the outside, Broadcaster B takes second. Midway to backstretch the first time, John V leads it by 1.5 lengths. Broadcaster B looks to drop in second. Scarsdale is third. Golden Full of fourth, 1/4 mile in 30 2. Around the paddock turn the first time, John V cuts it out 1.5 lengths. Broadcaster B is second. Scarsdale third, a gap of 1.5 lengths. Golden Full of fourth. Shirley's Bow fifth. And trailing this 6-horse field is Momentum. They swing into the home stretch the first time. John V opens up a 2.5 length lead. Broadcaster B is second, 2 back to Scarsdale third. Golden Full of fourth. At Shirley's Bow fifth. At the end, Momentum. They reach the half mile in 1:02 2. John V has the lead by 2 lengths. Broadcaster B is second. On the outside, Scarsdale third. Golden Full of follows him fourth. Shirley's Bow along the rail fifth. Trailing the field is Momentum. They go down the backstretch the final time. John V widens out by 3. Scarsdale on the outside battles Broadcaster B. Golden Full of 3 wide. At the 3/4 pole, John V leads it by 1.5 lengths. Along the inside, Broadcaster B second. Right there on the outside is Scarsdale, 3/4 in 1:33 1. Final turn. It's John V by 3 lengths. Broadcaster B is second, the far outside, Golden Full of third. Shirley's Bow fourth, Scarsdale and Momentum. In the stretch for the finish, John V leads it by 1.5 lengths. Golden Fuller on the outside with Broadcaster B. Through the stretch, John V, Golden Fuller, and on the far outside, Shirley's Bow.